We need to plant seeds in the garden of dreams so kids could grow up to be kings and queens. Don't let them sit there and watch the throne. Give them opportunities to rock their own.
The Garden of Dreams talent show was held last Tuesday, April 16th at Radio City Music Hall in New York City to raise money for the foundation that gives back to the New York community and to kids who are facing different life challenges. The annual event lets kids ages 5 through 18 perform at the legendary venue in front of their friends and family. Attending to make special announcements this year were Matt Lauer, Waka Flocka Flame, and hosts Jill Martin and Matt Babel. Attending was Fabrizio Moretti, Albert Hammond Jr., and Nikolai Fraiture of The Strokes, who helped mentor some of the artists during rehearsals, and they talked about what they want people watching or hearing about the event to come away with.
Paying it forward is a pretty important thing. If they get inspired by these kids, maybe they can continue to do good work and help other people in the future.
Daryl DMC McDaniels, who is the talent show creative director and one of the board members for the foundation, talked about the most rewarding part of being involved in Garden of Dreams.
The most rewarding thing here is hearing kids say, wow, I never thought I would be able to do that. Because think about it, these kids here, some of the kids don't leave the block. Some of the kids see Madison Square Garden on TV but never get to go there. Some of the kids see Radio City Music and the Rockettes and never get to go there. Not only do we let them come to Radio City Music Hall, we let them get on stage. And that's like a lifetime experience. And it's just giving a kid an opportunity, a chance to discover themselves. And what's also cool about the Garden of Dreams is this. Even though it's a talent show, we surround the kids with a multitude of career opportunities. I always tell the kids, we don't need more rappers. We need more lawyers and accountants and directors and journalists. So here at the Garden of Dreams, just by putting on this talent show, these kids see a multitude of career opportunities, especially when the suits and ties walk in the room. Kids start asking, who's him? What do he do? And I go, oh, that's Mr. Ratner. He runs this whole facility. He runs everything that has to do with the Rangers and the Knicks. And that's the owner of the Knicks. And they go, wow, really? So it's about just giving a kid a multitude of opportunities, because some of them might not make it in the showbiz, but they can make it in life.
Waka Flocka Flame, who introduced some of the talent for their big shot at success, remembered his shot when someone gave him a chance.
I really do. I ended up hanging with like an artist, like a hip-hop artist, and I seen that was a chance in life. I seen how all the artists wasn't taking advantage of their situation. They really was taking what God gave them and going against it, like glorifying different things. Like once I found out this was wrong, that was wrong, I changed it up. Like I really want to see people, I just want to make people smile. Like I thank God for what I got.
Also attending the Garden of Dreams event was Steve Sharippa of The Sopranos, Miss Teen USA for 2012 Logan West, New York Giants star Victor Cruz, Sports Illustrated models Genevieve Morton, Dominique Peake, Jara Mariano, and Damaris Lewis.